The Fabricator has been an excellent outlet for us to advertise, but more importantly, it's been an organization that connects a lot of our customers.
The reach, the content, the quality of articles gives us a platform also to be visible. A lot of partners, they come to know about us through these ads.
We're trying to get newer customers, so finding those people can be difficult, but the Fabricator's done a great job.
What I'd say is the biggest win for us is brand recognition.
If you're in the fabrication industry, the Fabricator is the go-to magazine.
I always tell people it's #1, and that's just because of all the resources that are available.